how are you all? Welcome back to another Dazzling Pooh video. I'm Poonam and I hope you all are doing great because I'm very good to see you here at my home at Dazzling Pooh. So yeah, in today's video, I'm gonna share this makeup look and I have created this look specially for Durga Pooja, or you can say Navratri. And plus point of this makeup is that you can use this makeup as an wedding guest because wedding season is almost here or is about to come, whatever you say. But you can use this makeup as a wedding guest because this is simple and as well glamorous and also easy to create this look. You will get to know by the end of this video that how easily I have created this look. So I see you here on YouTube 3 days in a week, like Tuesday, Thursday and Friday, but you can follow me on other social media accounts like my Instagram account, so you can see my handle somewhere on the screen and also in my description box, so you can follow me there and we can have more fun and you can see me more actively and of my daily routines on my Instagram. So now without any further delay, just directly fly to the video. Ting. So here I'm gonna start my makeup with this Good Vibes Rose Hip Toner so that it will keep my skin hydrated for a long time. And after that I'm gonna put this moisturizer for keep my skin more hydrated. This is a Lakme Peach Milk Soft Cream and this is the best cream if you have oily skin. And now I'm gonna make my makeup a little bit kind of dewy, so I'm using this dewy primer from Wet n Wild, and after using this I'm gonna mix this two shade of this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. One is 130 and another one is 230. So I have put it on my face and now gonna blend it with this wet blender. So blending करने में बिल्कुल भी कंजूसी नहीं करनी है because this is the key of a flawless makeup. And after blending this, I'm gonna use this concealer from Wet n Wild in the shade medium. So medium shade mostly सभी skin type पे सूट हो जाता है, पता नहीं ये कुछ magical सा concealer है. So yeah, I have put on my upper lids and to hiding my dark circles. तो इसको अब अच्छे से blend कर लूँगी with the same beauty blender. And after that I have put the same concealer around my mouth and wherever I have some kind of spots. And to set this concealer, I'm gonna use this compact from Purple. It has SPF, so I like this compact very much. So I can say that this compact is a beginner friendly because this is in budget and it works so well. And after that I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette for filling my eyebrows and picking this dark brown shade for filling my eyebrows with a small tangled brush. So it is very easy to fill your eyebrows with some compact using these kind of brush. I just love this idea these days. And after that I'm gonna use this palette. This multicolor palette is wow, I just love this one. So I have mixed these both pink colors and now I'm gonna just do my eye makeup. So putting this color as a transition shade, and by the way you can just customize your eye makeup. आप किसी भी तरह का eye look create कर सकते हैं. यहाँ मैं एक simple pink and golden kind का eye look create कर रही हूँ. So after that मैं इसमें छोटा सा एक cut crease kind का makeup look add कर रही हूँ. This is a kind of छोटा सा butterfly kind का cut crease रहेगा ये. And so I will just cut my crease and after that I will just blend slowly this concealer. Gonna do the same process to my other eye, and after just cutting this crease area I'm gonna fill this golden shade using my finger in this cut crease kind of this area and just fill this area with this golden shade using my fingers and also brush. And using the same concealer I'm just giving my eyes a shape and will cut extra colors which have just I have put wrongly, so we'll cut it and will give a sharp kind of look to my eyes and will blend it using my fingers or brushes. And after that I'm gonna put this eyeliner from Lakme, and this is not a waterproof eyeliner, so yeah, make sure if you wanna put some waterproof eyeliner then this is not for you. But if you're a beginner and this is a budget friendly eyeliner, so you can just grab it. And after that I'm gonna put this white kajal because it makes your eyes look more glamorous and beautiful and bigger. So I just love white kajal. So this is from Wet n Wild, so using in my both of my eyes. And for black kajal I'm using this Naika's black kajal, and this is really very beautiful kajal, and this is smudge proof, so I just love this one. So yeah, after that I'm gonna use this mascara from Purple, and this is a voluminous mascara and it really make your lashes very pretty. So now picking this brown shade from this Wet n Wild palette and doing my little bit of kind contouring, especially for my nose, so that it will look sharp and slim, and also for my cheekbones and my jawlines, and will blend this color completely so that my face will look a bit slimmer and beautiful. So done with the contouring, now I'm gonna use this blush. This is from Maybelline, and this is a soft pink kind of blush, and I just love this blush because it gives instantly fresh look. And after that I'm gonna use this highlighter. This is also from Maybelline. This is a master chrome highlighter, and it gives you very natural kind of glow, and especially for wedding kind of season, some festival kind of look, this highlighter is perfect. And now I have just put my this pink lipstick from Fashion Color, and this lipstick can give you instantly very fresh and beautiful kind of look. So yeah, this is my final look here. I have just put on my jewelry and a bindi and my complete dress with this dupatta. You can do any kind of hairstyle. So this is my look. Hope you like it. Yeah. So friends, I hope you love watching this video, and I hope you have learned a little bit about some makeup tricks by this video. And if yes, then give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe my that button. Yeah, that red kind of button. Just turn that button in gray, and you are welcome to my Dazzling family. So yeah, we are here. Thank you in advance. So now we'll see you in my another video. Till then, bye bye, and of course take care. ध्यान रखना अपना सब. Bye bye.